Hello everyone, mayong hapon, magandang hapon, and good afternoon. So since I am vacant this time because wala na kaming mga students dito sa school, nais ko lang ibahagi itong katanungan kasi few days ago may nagchat sa akin na kung pwede ba gagawa ko ng video discussion for this question. It's all about mathematics actually. And the question stated this way. Find f of k minus 1 when f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 4k minus 5. So, which means that it's all about function. Okay, so I hope na mapanood niya ito kasi this is for that person who chatted me few days ago na gagawan ko ng video discussion ito. Since tinatamad ako this time to do it on the board, dito lang muna sa notebook, sa handy notebook ko ito gagawin. Okay, so let's try to do it the way it is done inside the classroom. Okay, so find f of k minus 1 when f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 4k, x actually, plus 4x minus 5. Okay, so for regular school year, this is one of the topics for grade 9 under first quarter lessons. Okay, or within first quarter lessons. Okay, here let's try to answer this one. So just in your solution, you just have to let that x is equal to k minus 1. Okay, so since we're talking about the variable x here in the function, and then replace f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 4x minus 5. Replace all variables here with k minus 1. So it will become f of, as I said, replace x with k minus 1. So it will become f of k minus 1, which is the question here. Yun ang hahanapin mo. And it will become 5 times x also, the variable x, again here, replace this one with k minus 1 and then raise to the power of 2, this one, plus 4 and then replace again x with k minus 1. So, bali lahat ng mga variable x dito sa expression, papalitan mo ng k minus 1. And then minus 5. Okay, I hope nakukuha nyo lang. And then let's continue. Bring down 5. And then when a binomial is raised to a power of 2, it means that when you expand that binomial, it is a perfect square trinomial. So you can just do it if you can remember when can we say that it is perfect square trinomial. So if we try to expand the square of k minus 1, so it will be like this: k squared minus 2k and then plus 1. So which means that this trinomial is considered the perfect square trinomial. And then plus, you multiply 4 into each term of the given parenthesis here. You multiply 4 to each term inside the parenthesis. So 4 times k, it is 4k. And when you multiply 4 times 1, it is also considered 4. And to determine the operation between 4k and 4, since you are multiplying opposite operations, the result is always minus, and then bring down minus 5. Okay, so after distributing or multiplying 4 to each term inside the parentheses, you also do the same for this part here. You also multiply 5 into each term inside the parentheses. So 5 times k squared, it will become 5k squared. And then 5 times 2k, it will become 5 times 2 is 10, and then bring down k. And since you are multiplying opposite here, operations and signs, so it will become minus. And last, you multiply 5 times 1. So it will become plus 5. So plus, because you are multiplying the same operations or the same signs. And then, okay, just remember that when you multiply the term outside the parentheses into each term, when you multiply the term outside the parentheses into each term inside the parentheses, automatically you are also removing the grouping symbol, which is the parentheses. Okay, just remember that one. Let's continue this time. So bring down plus 4k, and this time you can combine this minus 4 minus 5. So since they are all considered constant, so it will become minus 9. Can you remember why is it minus 9? Okay. Then bring down minus 5k squared, and then you collect or group similar terms. So alin ba ang mga similar terms dito? Okay, you collect terms with the same variables like minus, you can bring down minus 10k and together with the plus 4k, and then bring down plus 5 and then minus 9. When you proceed, so it will become minus, okay, it will become, okay, when you proceed, bring down 5k squared, and then when you add these similar terms, it will become minus k, 6k, okay, minus 6k, and then when you also combine this plus 5 minus 9, or simply 5 minus 9, so it will become minus 4. So the final answer, when you find f of k minus 1 when f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 4x minus 5, so your final answer is f of k minus 1 is equal to 5k squared minus 6k and then minus 4. So that's it. And always remember that if the final expression in your answer is factorable, you have to rewrite or express your answer in a factored form. Always remember that one. So I guess this is now the solution, and I hope this will help to the one who is asking me to present a solution for this question, which is find f of k minus 1 when f of x is equal to 5x squared plus 4x minus 5. Okay, so hanggang dito lang muna, and up to this part only. And if may mga katanungan pa kayo dyan, or if there's something about mathematics that you want me to present a solution, so please feel free to message me, or perhaps you can do some comments. Thank you and magandang hapon. Once again, good afternoon.